Would you believe the first Wrangler to have a factory-installed backup camera didn't happen until 2018? Well, believe it. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a backup camera in your JK Wrangler. We've got this super nice JK Wrangler in the shop. It's a 2017. I spent a bunch of time with the owner to transform it into what we've got here. Of course, we did lift, wheels, and tires, but that's not what this video is about. It's about right here, a backup camera. This guy has kids, and it's important for him to see behind him. Nobody wants to back into a kid or in a light pole or another car. So we've got this backup camera all installed. I want to walk you through exactly what it takes to make it happen. I really like this kit. It's made by a company called Brand Motion and includes everything you need to install a backup camera if you have a factory navigation unit. As you can see, we've got this backup camera mounted right here. I really like this kit because it comes with an adjustable mount. As you can imagine, depending on what wheel configuration you have, what offset, what the design of the face looks like, you may not be able to put the camera just at any location. So if we open this thing here, you can see that we've got the bracket that goes right in behind the mounting of the wheel. We actually snuck it right behind this relocation bracket for the spare tire. It fits really nicely. Installation was pretty straightforward. What we had to do is get the wires from this backup camera to the radio. So much of the interior comes apart. There's actually a wire that gets tapped in on the right side, on the passenger side of the vehicle. A lot has to get removed from the interior to make this all happen, but once we got it all out and back together, it works really, really nicely. One thing I want to talk about here is this little module. You may recognize this if you've done any calibration by AEV. It looks similar to their ProCal module, except this one's unique. This one is for Brand Motion and is slightly different. This vehicle needs calibrated so that the screen, the radio, can actually see the camera. What this is for is to be able to do that. You turn the key to the run position, stick this thing in there, the horn honks twice, and now your radio sees that it has a backup camera. Anytime that you put the vehicle in reverse, the backup camera automatically comes on. So there's no need for any special trips to the dealer. All you gotta do is have this part of the kit that comes from Brand Motion. All in all, I really, really like how this works out. We are all spoiled in that we're used to having cars with backup cameras. No more are just side view mirrors and rear view mirror good enough. A backup camera definitely is that extra layer of security to make sure that you're not backing into anything. If you've got any questions about this install, feel free to hit us up in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, if it helps you in the install of your own, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel because there is a ton of great content there about your Jeep, truck, or four-wheel drive vehicle. If you've got anything else, be sure to shoot us an email and follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.